Hi. Okay, now we are going to see how the site looks. In the beginning, you see it's completely done. You see here you have already made offers. If you refresh the page, you will see that rotate all the time changes. You see here, let's try again. Every time new offers, so this make your audience all the time to see new offers and more clicks. You have here, you have inside the content here, also inside the pages. For example, this one, let's see, you see here you have one in the top, another one here, another one, so you will get a lot of clicks because these people are addicted to this type of content, funny and easy to read. Also here in the bottom, so is ready to make profits. So now we are going to see how we manage our site. First of all, we have here the site outline. The site outline, you see here we have like the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday until Saturday, and the categories. We have 4 categories in this case, and we have here when each category is going to post. For example, here funny is going to post 10 a.m., news 10 p.m. because if you post all the time, people don't manage to read the new content, and the begins to be spammy. You don't want to have a site spammy because people don't like to see that this is going too fast. They don't know what to read, what is new. So have to be some timeline. So here, for example, you want to add, let's say, one day here in Sunday. Today is Sunday here, so you put Sunday and you say, for example, at 18, at 30, you want to post, okay, you want to post something about animals, add to planner, and you got it there. You see, save, perfect. So this way you manage your post. If you don't want one of these ones, you click here in the X and you delete it and save. So this is very easy. You see, you manage this your week. How do you want the timeline? But you have to do this one time, so don't worry. It's not that you every day you have to see this. You see one time and forget. Now I'm going to see about the posts. So let's see. Here you have, for example, about funny, all the posts of many sources like BuzzFeed or let me see another, Box, The Chive. Well, are many. Also you can choose, if you want, go here all sources from the site to funny and choose one site alone if you want one source. But here are all together, and you, for example, are going to you said you want to post this one, let's say this one, to the news, so let's see how it works. You see here we're going to see again the timeline. We put today, now is Sunday in the afternoon, so news is at 10 p.m. So let's see the calendar. This is only to show you how it works. It's not what you have to do. So you see today is 11 and it's empty, so here we know that at 10 p.m. is our post. But here when you post, you don't have to think about the hour. You forget, you only click. This is what we want, is that you don't have to be scheduling with dates, with numbers, with hours. So for example, you go here and you put let's post, boom, And now let's see the calendar. I refresh, and you see at 10 p.m. we have the post ready. So now it's as simple as that. I put funny, I put this one. I choose for, I don't know, let's say for wow, I put this one. And if you see the calendar begins to fill exactly like this. Here at 10 p.m. there is wow. Here at 9 there is funny. So without doing no dates, it's all now automatic. Let's post news again. It's that simple that this is now your dashboard, and just you click put and everything goes scheduled. Everything very in order, like a authority site. That is what we want. Don't to have a crap site full of content without logic. We are here trying to make the best. Okay, so you see how it works, the outliner, then the trending post, and you can watch in the calendar. This, you don't have to take actions here. You can see what's happened with the funny posts, with the new posts, where are they, and also if you want and say, okay, this post I like it very much, I want to post today, you move it and you change the hour if you want. You can go here and here to change the hour, and we'll go out today at the new hour. Saving, and that's it. So this is how it works, very simple. And well, now we are going to see if you, for example, choose one post and you want to edit it. For example, this one, let's click edit, and you see the post sometimes comes with many things that we don't want. For example, all this part maybe we can delete. Like this. Then this photograph, let's say I don't want, I delete it, or this. And well, I can clean, I can take this space, I can clean this link, understand? So I make it unique. So when I like it, also I can add images. For example, if I want here another image, I can go here and look for funny, let's say, and I look for a good image I like, let's say this one. Okay, so now it's downloading, and when I go now to my images library, here is the image. So I put it there, and I have now my image. So I build the post like I like it, and I can spin, rewrite it. I click there, and now here I have the same article but with different words. So it's different. For Google will rank this site, this post, like unique, because all the words are different. If, for example, you read and this said here total experience, and you want another word, you can change, or to put together, or prepare. You want to associate, friends, you can change in the fly, a number, a few. Okay, so when you like it, you send to editor. So now you have clean of the parts you don't like with your images, rewrite and with the words you like. And now let's post to news, and you have a super post in the calendar ready to post on the date you want it. And you can continue moving because we don't make you to go to another page and then to come back. So you are here in the dashboard. You can spend 20 minutes and make 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then this will begin to bring people, because all these articles are very, very, very attractive, very addictive. Okay, so now we see how to post, how to edit, and well, we continue in the next video. Thank you very, very much.